What we know is a drop, what we don't know is an ocean. Isaac Newton. Please watch to the end. The most interesting part is at the very end. Stylephorus chordatus is one of the most anatomically unusual fishes ever documented in the deep ocean. It belongs to its own family, Stylephoridae, and inhabits the mesopelagic and bathypelagic zones, typically between 300 and 2,000 meters, where light fades into permanent darkness. The most striking feature of this species is its tubular eyes, which are elongated into rigid cylinders and oriented upward. Unlike ordinary fish eyes, these structures act as light collectors, dramatically increasing sensitivity to faint bioluminescent flashes above the animal. In the deep sea, seeing first often means surviving. The body of Stylephorus chordatus is extremely slender and ribbon-like, ending in a disproportionately long, whip-like tail. Muscle mass is minimal, indicating that this fish is not built for speed. Instead, it relies on stillness and detection, conserving energy in an environment where food arrives unpredictably. Vision is the art of interpreting scarcity. Jacques Cousteau. The skin of Stylephorus chordatus is thin and semi-translucent, with reduced pigmentation. This minimizes visibility in residual light and may also reduce metabolic costs associated with pigment production. The fins are delicate, used primarily for fine positional control rather than propulsion. Feeding behavior sets this species apart even among deep-sea fishes. The jaws are small, but the mouth opens into a highly expandable buccal cavity. Rather than actively hunting large prey, Stylephorus chordatus is believed to feed on tiny crustaceans and gelatinous zooplankton, capturing them through rapid suction. A rarely discussed anatomical feature concerns the internal connective tissue of the eye stalks. These tissues are reinforced with collagen fibers arranged longitudinally, stabilizing the tubular eyes against pressure deformation at depth while maintaining optical alignment. This structural adaptation is critical for maintaining visual accuracy under extreme hydrostatic pressure. The digestive tract is relatively simple and elongated, consistent with a diet composed of low-calorie, soft-bodied prey. Energy intake is modest, reinforcing the necessity of a low metabolic rate and minimal movement. Reproductive biology remains poorly understood due to the rarity of intact specimens. However, the absence of elaborate sexual structures suggests reproduction adapted to low encounter rates, likely involving chemical signaling rather than visual cues. Life persists not by dominance but by precision. Stephen J. Good. Stylephorus chordatus demonstrates that deep-sea survival can be achieved through sensory specialization rather than physical strength. By investing heavily in vision and reducing everything else, this species occupies a narrow but viable ecological niche in the midwater darkness. If this changed your understanding of deep-sea life, please support the channel. Like the video, subscribe, share it, and tell us in the comments which extraordinary deep-sea organism you'd like to explore next. Let's discuss in the comments.